everybody! Hey, Quinn, guess what?
What, Cadence?
Do you know what we're going to do today?
No clue, what?
We're going to learn about apples.
Did you know that there are over 7,500 different types of apples in the world? Do you like apple cider? Because it takes 36 apples to make 1 gallon of apple cider.
China grows more apples than any other country in the world. Wow.
That's right. The original apple trees started in Central Asia, and they have been grown for thousands and thousands of years in Asia and Europe, and were brought to North America by European colonists. The Pilgrims planted the first United States apple trees in the Massachusetts Bay Colony. After an apple seed is planted, it can take up to 8 years for it to start producing apples.
Hey, guess what? I was really surprised about this. Did you know apple trees can live up to almost 100 years old? Wow.
Apples are grown in all 50 states. Wow.
The average American eats about 46 pounds of apples and apple products every single year. And did you know that National Apple Month is actually 3 months? It should be called National Apple Months. Those months are September, October, and November.
Hey, guess what? Did you know apple trees are part of the rose family? Wow, I didn't even know that.
Wait, the rose family? Yep, apples along with pears, plums, cherries, and peaches are all members of the rose family of plants. Yep, red roses, pink roses, white roses, they're all in the same family. I guess you could say they're like distant cousins.
Hey, guess what? Apples can float because they're 25% air. Cool.
That's why apples are used for bobbing, because unlike other fruit, they're made up of 25% air. So that makes them buoyant, which means that they can float, and it's perfect for the watery game.
Hey, guess what, guys? Gala apples are the most popular apples in the U.S.
And here's another tip for you. Apples ripen up to 10 times faster when you leave them out, like on a counter or in a bowl, than when you put them in the refrigerator. Whoa! Did you know that the largest apple ever picked weighed in at a whopping 3 pounds? 3 pounds. That's a lot for one apple. Wow, that's a lot of really cool facts about apples.
Hey, did you like this video?
Hey, did you learn something new?
Then don't forget to
Sub, smash, and ring. And we'll see you on the next Hey